Ito sulit.
Sarap. Saan yan?
Malaysia. When we go up to 272 step.
Never been out when I was in Malaysia.
Batuke. Actually, it's in Batuke. There's a lot of monkeys.
My boss always with me when I'm having my off day.
This one, here. We go here. It's tall, 272 steps. I've been there for many times. Ayan, the one. Wait. We go up there.
May spray na ako. Sarap na smoothie. Alam mo, ganito gusto kong tuloy tayo. Malami tayo sa bar. Katakam. Kaya pag uwi natin, pakasama tayo.
Sinigang.
Ganito mga gusto kong gawin pagka meron akong blender or juicer. Gusto ko yung meron ako sarili. Kasi ginagamit yung sa karne, ginagamit sa gulay.
Meron kami bumili si Bumili kasi mag-diet siya ng smoothie siya.
Gusto ko yung meron akong juicer. Kaya yung blender. Nakita ko sa Temu yung maliit. Kaya lang rechargeable din. Diba?
Ano?
Yung sa Temu. Yung pinakita ko sa'yo, pang blend.
Marami naman dito yun. Sa market, sa metro. Dito talaga ako nagkaroon ng kalyo.
Kalyo?
Ito, sakit na
Bakit yan ka nagkakalyo?
And,
Bakit yan instead here? Usually calluses in here.
I have to eat.
George don't have calluses.
No, I'm a soft boy.
Soft boy. And we are hard stone.
And me?
Hard stone.
You're not soft boy.
Hard girl. It's hard. We are hard girl. Because you never work hard when you're young. That's why.
No, he is, but it's not like the same game.
I just got my hair gray from stress.
Oh, yeah, also white hair. I have also.
You have white hair than me. I don't have white hair.
Okay, so I need to color my hair. It's just like I usually do twice a year to go to do my hair. Here I cannot do it because it's very expensive.
Everything here is expensive. What's this? Pineapple. Sama ko sa labas tayo malamig. Ang hangin.
Nakulit ko.
I'll have mine.
After this one, do it.
Oh, you want this one?
You get this one.
He wanted a cooked egg. Not sunny side egg. Mas gusto ko naman yung sunny side. Pinalitan pa. Oo, Kunin mo rin palitan niya. Thank you.
Now we can fry it.
Nalalaksan ka siya at kahit naman yung luto eh, malansa din.
Iya nga, ma. More silaw.
You put ham and cheese. Bacon and cheese.
Ay, salang no.
Ha? What?
Dalag. This is hash brown. Yeah. No, hash brown.
Hash.
You want that?
Thank you.
Butter. Ang daming sauce ng ano ko.
Ah.
Bean.
Meron naman, madami na.
BTS.
I'm not updating na sa mga ganyan.
This is my favorite band.
I think I'm too old for them.
No?
I think I'm too old.
No. I'm too older than you.
Magre-react pa nga lang ako eh.
And they have fans 70 years old, 60 years old. Tingnan mo yung sa akin, oh, nasa gitna yung ano ko. Yung sauce. Yung sa'yo, wala nang ganong sauce eh, oh. Tingnan mo yung sa akin, oh, nandito lahat yung sauce. kaya ano, wet na wet.
You can get another one.
You see? That's how we eat.
Is that lemongrass? Can we take it? Namatay yung tinapon ni Bruwa yung minsan yung lemongrass kasi yun na siguro patay. Galing dati na yun. Ewan na yun, yung kumanta ng golden?
Hindi.
Ay.
Number 1 yan sa top 100 Billboard. US.
It's been a year since I eat this. Yes. But I'm in Malaysia, the old lady like this. For breakfast. And I
Do you eat in white coffee?
You know the coffee in Old Town coffee?
Pareho, halos same sila.
When I go back to the Philippines, I have a lot. Go how many cups? Because it's a nice coffee. And you know
I like Kaya's bread.
and you know the how do you call this one? The candy that Himalaya. How many bucks I bring also. But I cannot find here. I don't find it.
This spreaded sauce. It's so wet.
Wait.
So wet.
Butter baby, the one
Hmm?
butter.
Another fats.
Another?
Fats. Calories.
Not everything. Not.
Sabi nila, habang iniisip mo daw yung kinakain mo, lalo kang tumataba. Kaya enjoy mo lang daw. Enjoy and regret later.
Yeah. Well, when we have we go take a leave, a vacation, we just keep eating and I gain weight, you know.
Oh, yeah, you have 1 week vacation.
Mm.
Only eat and eat and eat.
Eat and sleep.
You go there, we go to Limassol, we go to Limassol to eat. We just only eat. We drive long hours, long to eat only to the restaurant. Remember we go to Limassol, right? We eat here.
I still cannot forget the raw fish.
That's fine. That's
Huh?
exploring.
That restaurant with the raw fish,
Raw fish?
it's like completely raw.
Tuna.
Mm.
Tuna. And we don't know that the fish is raw.
But
They said
it's not supposed to be sweet, raw.
they said that it was a fillet, fish fillet.
Fish fillet, maybe
Yeah,
it's
They didn't say that it's raw.
sashimi.
Yeah.
No, it was like big chunks.
Oh. So did you ask them to cook again?
Mm.
But they said it cannot cook.
Because it's supposed to be raw.
Mm.
But they didn't they
But they
didn't
didn't
inform
try.
me first.
Yeah, but they didn't charge. They didn't charge. We don't pay.
They're supposed to inform you about it
Mm.
before they serve you. On when you're ordering.
I enjoy the food when we go to Larna.
Hmm?
Larna. Remember?
No, it wasn't Larnaca, it was a village.
And we must all. I mean, I enjoy the food when we are in Larnaca. Remember the fresh one. Near in the sea.
Mm.
We eat near in the sea. In
Larnaca?
the
It
sea,
was
yeah.
a fish tavern.
I thought we were having fish.
Today?
You said it. And then
Oh,
we
okay.
ended up with English bread.
can still have fish.
Question is, can we still eat?
Yeah, because she haven't eat for a long time fish because they are not allowed to cook fish.
I heard so many fireworks. Is it fireworks? Yesterday morning? Yesterday night?
Sunday night.
Sunday night, yeah. Fireworks until morning.
Yeah, it's tradition.
Ah. I thought they're having some drills around Aglancha. That's why there's a lot of fireworks.
No, it's like a custom they have here. They burn wood
Ah.
and they throw fireworks.
But that I think this is the first time I heard it during Easter.
No, it's every Easter.
Really?
Yeah, we used to do it also in Greece, but stopped because it's very annoying.
Yeah, because it starts from 12, I think, and then until morning. I thought I just hearing some fireworks and okay, that's fine. Then
Actually,
until morning, I heard it. So that is traditionally done. But I think it's the first time I heard it. That's why I was confused. Why it's so long?
lemongrass ba to?
Hmm?
Lemongrass?
Yeah. I didn't have this.
It's like for the core.
It's for the time. Kumakain kami ng amo kong natanda. We used to eat like my old employer before. Like my second employer, the old one who's already died. Every time we eat outside and have like the egg one, I always ask her to get the egg. That's why every time we order, she always said that to the waiter to put properly the fully cook the egg because we know how to eat.
Why I have so much? I have so
I
much.
still have parsley.
Me too. I do that. I do also like that.
Okay, these are all we left. It means I enjoy my food. It's like pork.
So much sauce. Too much sauce.
And then you look dry and like how's your coffee?
It's decent.
So good.
It's okay.
Mag-asawa pa yata.
It's okay.
Kasi our stomach ay ang problema lagi yung sigmura namin pag kumakain kami hindi ano lang sigmura kumukulo yung tiyan namin
Sa akin naman,
Diba,
kinakabagan ako.
he always have a problem with
Constipation?
No, it's
I
like,
feel
you know,
everything here is not good. Yeah, even the bread.
because every time he eats, like his stomach always, growling. I always hear the noise in his stomach.
How about now? Okay?
No.
Kasi later.
Babe,
And
sigurado
yesterday
to
night,
BTS fans to.
Sila.
Yung nagpapatutog. Jimin
Korean.
yan ng BTS eh.
Korea. Asra.
no food.
Potato.
I feel good so far. Don't waste it.
Don't add.
And yesterday I ordered from a place called the Tabernacle, and I just enjoyed the food. No problem.
Bacon is so hard. They roasted.
My plate is full.
Lim disagrees.
It's so hard, look. It's supposed to.
Lim, it was hard.
Look, I can't cut it. BTS Army to. Kaya puro BTS naririnig.
Ay. Next. And I will
Mahilig ka sa ganyang, ano,
play.
hindi yung style.
Patak na nga ako, lulus pa ako. I forgot to take a photos when we have food. And then we sent to Cherry. I was sent to Cherry.
You can send her a photo with the outcome, you know.
After. Sabat. Hindi mo may picture sa'yo? Na nag-picture ka ng plate.
Hindi, video.
Alam ko nag-picture ka ng
Ito lang yung pinicturean ko, hindi kayo kasama.
Hindi, yung food lang.
Naka-video.
Cherry. I'm stressed now, ha?
Naka-video.